Inequalities. एक मिनट. हाँ. Algebraic inequalities. Inequality is when you have greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, less than. सबसे पहले तो सबको पता होना चाहिए कि what is what, which of the shape is what. So x is greater than 5. This is how you would read this. The face where it is, what do you say? Open, crocodile face, you can say. That is the greater part. And you can also say that 5 is less than x, but it's better to write the variable first. X is call, or you can say the, क्या बोलते हैं इसको, say the variable first. Whenever you are trying to understand an inequality. For example, if it is even written like this, that -10 and y. So if you would read this, read it like the variable, you would say the variable first. You would read it in this direction. That y is greater than and equal to -10. Okay? And how do you show these on a number line? Number line, showing it on number line is also very important. Number line is what? A simple number line where you have numbers written down. So yeah, let's suppose it's 0. This is 5. This is 10. This is -5. This is -10. Up until positive infinity and negative infinity. Anyone knows what is infinity? Infinity क्या होता है?
जी सर, नंबर चलते रहते हैं, खत्म नहीं होते.
An infinitely large number. It is larger than the largest number that you can think. 1 million, billion, trillion. It is the largest, infinite. नहीं होता. So if you want to write it down show it on a number line, x is greater than 5. So you make a hole on 5 and it would be like this to the right side. And it can be all numbers greater than 5. 5 is not included. That's why it has a hole. Okay, it is not filled. It is not a solid. It is a hole. The same thing if you would do it over here. Let's suppose this is -10, -15, -20, -5, 0, 5, infinity, positive and negative infinity. So now y is less than equal to, sorry, y is greater than equal to -10. So now this is the filled hole and to the left side. Oh, sorry, to the right side. It is greater than, y is greater than. And this is the solid circle because -10 is included. It's a very simple thing. I know people have done this in detail, but because I have seen people making mistakes on this again and again and again, despite of them knowing this, silly mistake ho jati. So this is just in your knowledge now, in your notes now, that this is how it happens. So keep this in mind the next time you do a question like this. And we have questions like these. They ask you to represent the inequality on a number line. So this is how you would do this. They sometimes ask you to show this on a number line. Okay, and the rest of it is exactly same. How you solve the inequality if they ask you. It is the same as algebra, only with one difference. I will show it to you.
सर वो साइन जो होता है वो फ्लिप करता है, वो वाला ना?
हाँ, let's suppose this is a question. You would solve it the same way as you have solved algebra before. We expand the bracket, so 4x minus 40 greater than minus 5x plus 2. The problem comes in with the sign of the variable that you're trying to find. So to avoid the problem with the sign, sometimes your sign of the inequality is
10 होना चाहिए 2 की जगह।
कौन चाहिए 10? हाँ sorry,
जी सर।
minus 10. Good. So you try to keep the variable positive. So if I move the 4x on the other side, it would become minus 4x, and minus 4x minus 5x would become minus 9x. I don't like the variable to be negative because that would cause me problems. So I would try to keep it positive by moving the minus 5x to the left side. So 4x plus 5x, and minus 40 would move on the right side. Minus 10 plus 40. So 9x greater than 30. So x is greater than 30 over 9. This is the final answer. तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा. It is the same as the same old algebra, but now you try to keep the variable positive so that you don't mess up with the signs of the inequality.
सर वैसे ये सिंप्लीफाई होगा 10/3 में?
10/3 में हो जाएगा. Yes, 10/3. That's it. G minus 7 greater than equal to 1 minus g. Acha, now you see that you have to move the g's together so that you can solve it. So you will move the minus g on the left side so that it becomes positive. So g plus g and minus 7 would move on the other side. 1 plus 7. So 2g, 8, and g is 8 upon 2, which is 4. But that's it. If I do a bit difficult one, this one. 2b minus 1 upon 3. And open your copy pencil now, people. It's your turn now. I will give you random questions.
तो इसमें क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे ना?
The same as the old algebra, same as. But try to keep the variable positive. और कोई फर्क नहीं. So 5 would multiply with 2b minus 1. 3b with 3. So 10b minus 5 greater than 9b. You would move the 9b on the left side because 10b minus 9b would be positive b. And move the 5 on the other side. Minus 5 would move over there and become plus 5. So b is greater than 5. Bas, simple. ये आंसर है.
सर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन के अलावा कोई तरीका है?
You can move both on one side and then you can take the LCM. वो भी हो सकता है, लेकिन that would just complicate things. Try to avoid LCM. LCM जो है ना उसमें मसले मसाइल आते हैं कभी कभार. You can make a silly mistake. This is better. ठीक है? All good? Anyone? Any questions?
नो सर।
Copy this down. Make notes. Proper notes.